Let's practice 30 commonly used could you requests. We use could you to ask for help politely in everyday English.
Are you ready?
Let's begin. Could you help me with this?
Of course, I would be happy to help.
Could you help me with this?
Sorry, I can't right now. I'm a little busy.
Could you repeat that, please?
Sure, I'll say it again.
Could you repeat that, please?
Sorry, I can't remember exactly what I said.
Could you speak a little more slowly?
Of course, I'll speak more slowly.
Could you speak a little more slowly?
Sorry, we're running out of time.
Could you write that down for me?
Sure, I'll write it down.
Could you write that down for me?
Sorry, I don't have a pen with me.
Could you show me how this works?
Of course, let me show you.
Could you show me how this works?
Sorry, I'm not sure how it works either.
Could you open the door, please?
Sure, I'll open it for you.
Could you open this door, please?
Sorry, my hands are full.
Could you close the window?
No problem, I'll close it.
Could you close the window?
Sorry, I can't reach it.
Could you turn the music down?
Sure, I'll turn it down.
Could you turn the music down?
Sorry, I don't know where the remote is.
Could you pass me the salt?
Of course, here you go.
Could you pass me the salt?
Sorry, it's too far from me.
Could you hold this for a moment?
Sure, I can hold it for you.
Could you hold this for a moment?
Sorry, my hands are full.
Could you wait here for a moment?
Of course, I'll wait here.
Could you wait here for a moment?
Sorry, I need to leave now.
Could you call me later?
Sure, I'll call you this evening.
Could you call me later?
Sorry, I'll be busy later.
Could you send me the address?
Of course, I'll send it now.
Could you send me the address?
Sorry, I don't have the address.
Could you take a photo of us?
Sure, stand over there, please.
Could you take a photo of us?
Sorry, my phone battery is dead.
Could you check the spelling for me?
Of course. Let me have a look.
Could you check the spelling for me?
Sorry, I'm not sure about the spelling either.
Could you lend me your charger?
Sure, you can use mine.
Could you lend me your charger?
Sorry, I didn't bring it with me.
Could you move your bag, please?
Of course, I'll move it now.
Could you move your bag, please?
Sorry, there's nowhere else to put it.
Could you save me a seat?
Sure, I'll keep this seat for you.
Could you save me a seat?
Sorry, all the seats are already taken.
Could you tell me the time?
Sure, it's 3 o'clock.
Could you tell me the time?
Sorry, I'm not wearing a watch.
Could you explain this form to me?
Of course. Let's go through it together.
Could you explain this form to me?
Sorry, I don't understand this form either.
Could you show me where the bathroom is?
Of course. It's just down the hall.
Could you show me where the bathroom is?
Sorry, I'm not familiar with this building.
Could you carry this box for me?
Sure, I can carry it.
Could you carry this box for me?
Sorry, it's too heavy for me.
Could you watch my bag for a minute?
Of course, I'll keep an eye on it.
Could you watch my bag for a minute?
Sorry, I'm leaving now.
Could you give me a receipt, please?
Certainly. Here's your receipt.
Could you give me a receipt, please?
Sorry, the printer isn't working.
Could you bring us a menu?
Of course, I'll bring one right away.
Could you bring us a menu?
Sorry, we've run out of printed menus.
Could you book an appointment for me?
Sure. What day would you prefer?
Could you book an appointment for me?
Sorry, there are no appointments available today.
Could you check if my order is ready?
Of course, I'll check it for you.
Could you check if my order is ready?
Sorry, I can't find your order number.
Could you give me some change?
Sure. Here's your change.
Could you give me some change?
Sorry, I don't have any small change.
Could you keep the door open for me?
Of course, I'll hold it open.
Could you keep the door open for me?
Sorry, I need to go inside now.
Could you remind me about the meeting?
Sure, I'll remind you before it starts.
Could you remind me about the meeting?
Sorry, I might forget to.
Well done, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Your support helps us bring you more simple English lessons, so please like and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.